Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to enable multi-window for all apps and all on Android. Okay, so first and foremost, you're going to want to go to the settings. You're going to want to go to the settings. So I'm going to go there for my recent as I had it here. Okay, and then you're going to want to go to Lab. Okay, Advanced Features. And then once you go to Advanced Features, you want to go to Labs again, and then you're going to go to multi-window for all apps. Okay, and this is primarily for Samsung users. You can just allow all. This is for the baseline though, so this is for every app that is possible to have multi-windows that the developers did. Now this is for the Android side of things. This is for everyone. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to have to enable developer options. And if you don't know how to enable developer options, then go to my description and that will show you how to go to developer options, my other video. And then once you go to developer options, you're going to scroll down all the way down to the bottom here. Okay, and then scroll up a bit, and then you're going to multi-windows for all apps again. And this allows non-resizable apps to appear in multi-window. Okay, so that will definitely help you there. So not only did the first part allow you to use all apps for multi-window, but now this, even if it's not available for multi-window, now you're able to resize all non-resizable apps for multi-window. So, yep, that's pretty much it. Let's get it. Let's go.